Hi! Today I would like to introduce AQAI and share my vision for the future of AI-powered test automation. So let's get started. Large language models can generate test automation quickly, yes, but also models can invent locators, create assertions against unverified UI elements, and repeatedly reason about application knowledge that has already been discovered. Platform takes a different approach. The browser remains the source of truth. UI evidence is discovered and verified before it can reach generated automation code. GPT perform constrained semantic reasoning over trusted evidence, while deterministic components generate and validate the final Java and TestNG code. For this demo, platform receive four capability-first requirements, covering authentication, the authenticated user menu, and logout. Platform converts the requirements into canonical test scenarios, discovers the live application, verifies locator evidence, and builds a confirmed UI catalog. Then GPT performs semantic enrichment and structured page-object contract planning. The generated tests execute again their real application. The same pipeline generates page objects and TestNG tests, compile the generated code, perform automated code review and live smoke validation, and finally execute the test in a real browser. Without knowledge reuse, platform performs 4 GPT runtime calls, 2 for page enrichment and 2 for page object planning. The result is 2 generated page objects and 4 generated tests, with all 4 tests passing. Platform can also persist validated application knowledge using Neo4j and Qdrant. When stable knowledge is already available, platform use stable enrichment and page object contracts instead of repeating unnecessary semantic reasoning. So the same requirements produce the same for passing generated tests, but with validated knowledge available. Platform avoids for unnecessary runtime model calls. GPT provides the semantic reasoning behind platform, handling tasks such as page enrichment and POM contract planning. Codex support a development process by helping build, improve, review, and stabilize the platform. At the same time, platform deterministic core controls evidence validation, code generation, quality checks, and final test execution. Platform demonstrates a different approach to AI-assisted quality engineering. AI reasons where semantic understanding is needed. Verified evidence controls what becomes executable, and deterministic components keep automation reproducible. The goal is not just to generate more tests, it is to generate automation that can explain why it should be trusted.